Shifting gears slightly, you mentioned the unique situation that certain youth hold in their fear of being detained or deported.
Mhm.
How are pastors or youth workers called to be present to the very reasonable fear that that particular community of youth hold?
So the first thing we need to ask is if their congregation is a safe sanctuary place, uh, um, sanctuary. If they like, so I know some UCC congregations have become sanctuary community. So um, the I call it Border Patrol, but it's Homeland Security, I believe it's called now. But I was raised around the Border Patrol, always around us. This is what we call them, Border Patrol. But Homeland Security, there's some places where they cannot get to, right? And so, is your church one of those places? And if it is, is it known in the community or in the congregation? Do kids know this? Um, because that's super important just to kind of have behind your cart that you can go there and you're going to be safe. And with kids and that fear of I'm going to be detained, I'm going to be deported, I'm going to show up to home tomorrow and my parents are going to be gone. And then what's going to happen? So I had a mother whose real fear was that if she got deported, her kids were just going to be at home alone, right? And so in our conversation, I said, well, if that happens, who is the next person that could help you with your kids, who can take care of your kids? Who can we call? And it's such a dark conversation sometimes. It's almost like when you talk about when I die, I want this done, right? It's so heavy. Um, but with prayer and with the communication and the conversation of we just want to make sure that we have this backup, this support that we can give you if this happens. I had a student or a parent who the student called me and said, I think my mom got detained and I'm so scared. I don't know what to do. And so I went to the school and I picked the student up. I was on the list to pick them up. The parent had left my name there. It turns out the parent was just working late. But there was that fear that mom never picked me up. But the reality was I had got the phone call if I could help out, right? And so having that support of having a backup information, knowing what resources can be provided. Do we have special counselors? Do we have special people in the community who are lawyers or who can help us talk through some of these things so that when we talk with these students or when we talk with these parents, we sort of know what we're talking about. Like I had no idea how DACA worked, and so I had to do some research regarding that.